Hello and welcome to the Inland News Minute for Tuesday, October 19th. I'm Liam Trouchard. Here are today's headlines. Hemet police say 30-year-old Richard Cleveland and 20-year-old Roldanle Olivas were the victims of a double shooting Monday afternoon. No one has been arrested in connection with the violence at an apartment complex along the 200 block of Yale Street. Riverside-based federal judge Virginia Phillips is expected to rule today concerning her injunction against the military's Don't Ask, Don't Tell policy. Phillips had previously nullified the law, but government lawyers have asked for a stay in the case. And former San Bernardino County Assessor's employee Rex Gutierrez is back on the witness stand today in his corruption trial. Gutierrez is being retried on charges of conspiracy, grand theft, and filing a false claim. Joining us now is Mark Acosta, the bureau editor for the Southwest area of the Press Enterprise and PE.com. And Mark, you've been working with reporter Sarah Burge on the story about Halloween and sex offenders.
Exactly.
What's going on?
It's kind of interesting. She's going to have a story in tomorrow's paper, currently scheduled. And basically what we're looking at is sex offenders. When I was a kid, your mom would always say, you know, be careful about razor blades and the candy, that kind of thing.
Yeah, mine too.
Exactly. It's very common. Not to say that can't happen, but now the new fear is sex offenders. There's been a lot of stuff about sex offenders in the news, and cities, including some of our own, San Jacinto, down near Hemet, and also Paris, have been talking about having ordinances that would prevent them from turning on their lights, handing out Halloween candy, that kind of thing.
Has any of this taken place yet?
Well,
though?
Paris kind of backed away from it out of legal concerns, could bring lawsuits. San Jacinto is still talking about it, and in fact are supposed to talk about it on Thursday, I believe.
Okay, so basically right now it's a scare, but there's no real fear of this happening.
Yeah, and in fact, that's a good point you raised, because there was a study done by some prosecutors and some university professors in Washington State and elsewhere that found that there really is no more danger to kids than any other autumn day on trick-or-treating night. Okay. And in fact, they probably should be more aware of traffic accidents than the sex offender lurking.
All right. Thanks, Mark.
No problem.
Well, that's today's Inland News Minute. Thanks for joining us.